So you think you're ready for phase 7. This is the phase where we completely solve the yellow side. We get to do the FUR your F moves once again, and also we get to reunite with our ocean friends. But real quick, if you haven't got the 5x5 cheat sheet by now, then it probably means you don't need it. But consider getting it anyway, just as your way of saying thanks. I really appreciate it. So let's do the FUR URF. You're gonna see the boomerang, the line. This is what the dot looks like. Then we want the yellow plus. After that, we're going to, of course, be looking for the crab, the turtle, the fish, and then the fish with the fish food until we finally complete the yellow side. If you can go from a scrambled cube and completely solve the yellow side of the 5x5, and you can do it in under 20 minutes, then go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, go to the description and click on Phase 8. Okay, let's solve the yellow side. What do we see here? If you compare it to our options, we actually are looking at the line. It's a big line, but that's the line. So we're gonna make sure that it is horizontal, which is like this. This horizontal. Then we just do those moves, FUR, URF. F, U, R, U, R, F. Now what is this? That is the boomerang, really nice big fat boomerang, and it is in the top left, like it should be. So if you ever see it like this, of course, you'd want to turn it to be like that. Now we do those moves, F, U, R, U, R, F. Okay, now this is the yellow plus. Cover up those corners, and you see a big yellow plus right there. And then we move on to the ocean friends. So from our ocean friends, what do we actually see? This is the turtle, with the turtle facing us, like so. That's his head, this is his shell. And then we can do those moves, clock, clock, counter, clock, clock, flip, counter, right and top, just like with the 3x3. Clock, clock, counter, clock, clock, flip, counter. Okay, what do we see? That is actually the fish. Let's put the fish in the bottom left. He does not have the fish food, so we're not going to solve it on this one, but let's go ahead and do those moves. Clock, clock, counter, clock, clock, flip, counter. Okay, we did get the fish again. Hopefully, let's get the fish food. Yep. So we pointed him bottom left, and we have the fish foods. We're about to solve this. Clock, clock, counter, clock, clock, flip, counter. And we completely solved the yellow side. Thanks to all my patrons. And thanks to those on the awesome person level. Special thanks to those on the premium person level: Daniel Robbins, Ellen Reggiano, the O'Hearn family, Anna Bankrear, Marquise Thompson, Gregory Chandler.